Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Procurify Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. Procurify Spend Management Review My Usage Experience offers a cloud-based spend management platform designed to help businesses streamline their procurement processes and gain better control over their finances. It's targeted at businesses of all sizes, particularly those looking to improve efficiency and transparency in their purchasing operations. Key features likely include purchase order management, invoice processing, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing plans. Procurify positions itself as a user-friendly and efficient solution, emphasizing ease of use and improved visibility into spending patterns. Their website highlights the benefits of reduced administrative overhead and improved compliance. They claim a streamlined workflow and robust reporting capabilities. Pricing details are available on their website. Availability is global, accessible via a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Procurify Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was intuitive, and I was able to connect our existing accounting system within an hour. Navigating the interface was straightforward. The dashboard clearly presented key metrics like spending by department and outstanding invoices. I particularly appreciated the customizable reporting features. I was able to quickly generate reports tailored to our specific needs. The system performed flawlessly throughout my testing period. It was consistently fast and reliable. I had a quick question about integrating with our CRM, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated invoice processing. It saved us countless hours of manual work. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to rely on the web interface even when I was on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I understood them, they greatly enhanced the system's capabilities. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Procurify. It significantly improved our spend management, and the time savings alone make it worth the investment. That's my overview of Procurify Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.